So anyways, let's start. Anton, I briefly introduced you, but if you want to say a few words yourself and just take it away.
Camila, thank you for inviting me, guys. Nice to meet you all. As Camila already introduced me, my name is Anton. I will share the screen. And prior to start, we will see how many people we will have today. Maybe we will play a small game afterwards, and even someone will have a prize today, but we will see. So as Camila already introduced me, my name is Anton. I'm from Ukraine, and digital marketing is my passion. But AI transformed everything that we are doing in digital marketing. So we will talk today about artificial intelligence and how these tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Agent, etc., can transform your business, can help you do something faster, more effective, and get more clients, get more leads, and get more sales. So if we talk about our background in Ukraine, we are #1 as Digital Marketing Academy. We are teaching digital marketing for 12 years. And just 1 year before the big war, we decided that our expertise is good enough so we can scale global, and we switched to Udemy. Udemy right now is the biggest world marketplace where we teach, and right now we have 650,000 students from over 200 countries, and this is our global approach. We have 54 courses there in all fields of digital marketing, artificial intelligence, and so on. Maybe that's it about me. Let's chat a little bit. Write in chat from 0 to 10 how you are familiar with artificial intelligence. If you have heard something about ChatGPT but never used it, put 0. If you are great AI experts and you need to be the next who will speak on such webinar, put 10, and we will see how it's going with artificial intelligence in our community. Guys, what about artificial intelligence? We have 5, 8, 4, 0, 2, 0. Okay, we have a lot of guys with 0, so it will be really challenging to tell something for guys who have put 8 and who put 0. Okay, 5, 5, 5. Okay, great. So today my task is to give you like the basic understanding how AI can transform your digital marketing challenge, how transform everything you do in the field of social media, classical marketing, etc. And I will try to make it as interactive as I can. So let's have a quick dive in the digital marketing strategy. Guys, I need your help. You are planning to do something in digital. You are going to create a website, start your social media marketing, start email marketing, content marketing, etc. What questions do you need to ask yourself before you will go and do it? It's pretty easy questions. I understand that everyone knows them, but you are planning to do something online. What questions do you need to ask yourself before you will jump in site creation, posting something in social media, etc.? Drop please these questions in chat and we will check them. And I will show you how artificial intelligence can accelerate everything you're doing in answering these questions. Guys, what questions do you need to ask yourself before you will go online? Please help me be more interactive. What do we want to communicate? It's about the goals. Yes, our goals, objectives, it's maybe one of the most crucial questions we need to start. Who is my client? Who is my target audience? You are totally correct. Who am I targeting? Mac, it's also about target audience. Maybe something else, guys. Give me a chance to find maybe 1 to 3 more questions. What is our value proposition? Great, Grant, you helped me a lot. Our unique selling proposition, we need to understand what is the difference between us and other competitors that we have on the market. Any other chance? Guys, maybe a few ideas and we will go to the main slide. We need to know the buyer's persona. Okay, guys, great. These 7 questions, they are not the secret. I've written with my partner a book about this digital marketing strategy and how these questions accelerate. You can find it on Amazon. It's Cutting Edge Digital Marketing. But what questions do you need to answer before you will do something online? First 2 are philosophical, but at the same time, they gives you the right message, the message you will communicate in all your online sources. So the questions are, who are we? It's about mission. So missions, it's about the philosophy of business. Why did you create this business? Why are you still keep doing this? And mission is like a clue which connecting everything. What are you doing online? What are you post on the website? What are you doing in social media? What you try to interact in emails, chatbots, messengers, etc. The question which Grant mentioned, what do we offer? It's about our product and services. Marketers love such words as USP or unique selling proposition, but I love to change this question to why are we sexy? Why are we sexy for our client? Why do we need to be ordered? Why people need to buy our product or service, but not someone on the market among competitors? Another very crucial question which we need to answer before we will go in deep and try to put the right objectives, it's where are we now? So it's about competitive analysis. The market is big, the market is different. You are selling different stuff, you have different USPs, but who are your competitors? How did they succeed in the digital marketing? What traffic sources do they use, etc. This is a big question you need to answer with digital marketing channels and the specific digital marketing tools I will share with you today. Only after we understand the product, the company, the market we are going to create objectives, because without this, our KPIs, our goals, they can be really unrealistic. They will demotivate yourself, they will demotivate your team, your agency if you work with them. So it's very crucial and very important. Who is our target audience? So it's about characters, target personas, target users. So we have different words and terms for this stuff, but it's about understanding our real target users that will come and buy. Only after that we are going to how we will integrate all this communication in one, how we will communicate in social media, on the website, mobile app, etc. And it's about traffic sources, it's about platforms. So we will talk about this also a little bit later. And the last but not the least in this pack is the question how to make it better. It's about regular optimization. I hope that it was not too complicated, and I will try to make it easier for you with the power of artificial intelligence. But before we will go deep dive in practice, I have regular questions to all my students, listeners, etc. So guys, I'm talking pretty fast. I'm talking pretty fast in Ukrainian, in English. I've started just talking in Portuguese, and in Portuguese I'm also pretty fluent. So put please in chat how is my pace. If it's okay and I can talk in the same pace, put 10 in chat. If you think that I need to be a little bit slower, you can put 9, 8, 7. So I will try to slow down myself. Let's see how it's going. Okay, we have a lot of 10s, so everything is going. Everything is going well. So what we will use to make our life easier and to help you succeed, we will use this table. So what this table is, this is some template that helps you to manage your digital marketing strategy, and we will run through it pretty fast, as we have just 1 hour with AI, and we have to leave some time to answer all your questions. So what is going on? What this table can give you? You can use that link, or you can get this Google Docs link. It's not doesn't matter. So what we are going to do today, I will leave your mission to you because it's important, it's crucial, it's the philosophy of your business, but we will not spoil it with AI. But the moment when you are going to make your life much more easier, it's your product USP. You already have some questions, you already have some ideas why you must be the one in the customer mind, why your product must be the top of mind in any story and in any challenge, and how artificial intelligence like ChatGPT or Google Gemini can help you to understand what is your value. I've asked Camila about your businesses, and she told that most of you are already established businesses. You already have employees. You work for a few years, and some companies are like 10, 15 years on the market. So you need to have such stuff as reviews. It can be your Google My Business reviews. It can be your Yelp reviews, etc. So for example, we are selling on marketplaces, and on our Udemy profile, we have 21,000 reviews, and on each course, we have a couple of hundreds or even a couple of thousand reviews. What can you do with these reviews? You can go to any website when you have these reviews accumulated. It can be Google My Business, it can be Yelp, etc., and get them out and go to ChatGPT and ask, dear ChatGPT, can you check my reviews and say what are my strengths and weaknesses? It's pretty easy task, and at the same time you can do the same with your competitors. And afterwards you can ask your competitors and ChatGPT to differentiate, to tell why your product is different from your competitors. What are the main strengths? How you can position your product on the market. This is just an example. Afterwards, we will have a little bit practice. Let's go in ChatGPT and try to work with one of the stuff we have today. So I don't know what version of ChatGPT are you using. If you use free version 3.5, just drop in chat that it's 1. If you use the paid version, drop in chat 2. I will understand to focus on free version of ChatGPT or on paid subscription. Let me see. We have Mariana 1. 1. Okay, guys. I want to sell you OpenAI solution, but honestly, among a lot of my subscription, I have maybe $500 paid subscription per month just for me, not for my businesses. And that $20 that I'm paying for ChatGPT is maybe one of the most useful. What we can do with working with ChatGPT, for example, with USP, or the next step is to understand your competitors, your competitive analysis, to create and understand what is going on with your traffic, with your competitors in any niche. You can use established competitor analysis tools in digital marketing, such as SimilarWeb or SEMrush. They will give you a lot of analytics, how much traffic your competitors has, how people engage in their websites, from which traffic sources did they visit, etc. But to fill up this table, you usually need at least half an hour, in some cases like hours, but we will make it much more faster. For example, I want to sell in America, in the United States, and I want to understand what marketplaces are the best place for my services and what I'm going to do. What can I do? I can chat with ChatGPT and ask it to imagine you are marketing expert. This is one of the most useful prompts when you ask ChatGPT to imagine something about what role and what position do you want chat to solve in the moment right now. Create a table of competitor analysis. Competitor analysis for the biggest US marketplaces. And we can ask ChatGPT use the next fields. So we go here, we will take maybe some basic fields we need to analysis, and ChatGPT start its magic. It will go to Bing, because the paid version can connect online and grab data, actual real time from the search engine. And we have pretty beautiful competitor analysis table where we have Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, Target, Best Buy, etc. You can place it and do the same for your own business. So you will get the data about the traffic your website and competitors have, the average visit duration on the website, pages per visits, bounce rate, etc. All this stuff will help you better understand what is going on and how you will focus on the further marketing strategy. This table, yeah, sure.
Could we do one, like you were in Austin? So can we do for, like, imagine you are principal of an architecture studio in Austin.
Yeah, we will do it for the next
Okay.
tab. We can do it, for example, for KPIs. So yeah, just drop in chat example for me to type less, and we will use it for the next type. Okay.
Okay.
Great. So if we talk about the basic usage of competitor analysis stuff, it makes your life much more easier, much faster. And right now you can create all this stuff pretty easy and pretty fast. Check what is going on with your competitors, how do they promote themselves in digital marketing, how many traffic do they have, etc. How we can succeed, what we can do next, it's to go and try to understand our KPIs. What smart goals, what conversions do we need to measure, how better to create objectives for our marketing campaign, digital marketing campaign, social media, etc. And this will be the next step of our strategy that we can do with this template and with this table. So they are pretty easy stuff. If Camila will drop in the chat example she asked, I will really appreciate it. I can ask create goals, smart goals and KPIs for my digital marketing campaign for Q3 2024. I will come back to the chat and see what Camila gave me. But right now you see that I didn't mention anything about me, that I'm selling courses, etc. But it gives me propositions to increase the traffic on the website, get more courses sales, get more social media engagement, get more leads, and so on. How did ChatGPT get information about me? I recommend you to personalize your chat. And the first thing you do when you register in ChatGPT is to go to customize ChatGPT and give here the information about yourself. So what are you doing? What business are you doing? What do you like? What you don't like? What challenges? What problems do you have? You have don't a lot of space, just 1,500 characters, but it will be enough to describe for ChatGPT a little bit about yourself. So right now ChatGPT knows that I'm Anton and I'm doing digital marketing courses and AI courses business. And of course, you can ask ChatGPT to communicate with you in what style you prefer. For example, you want to ask ChatGPT to explain something for you, like for 5 years child. Or you can say, yes, my boss, or hello, bro. So it depends, but at the same time, you will decide what is going on and what type you are going to use. Please feel free to go to your ChatGPT accounts and share with ChatGPT in custom instructions detail about yourself, about how you want to talk with ChatGPT. And now we have chance to go and check the KPIs for Architecture Studio that does mostly residential projects in Austin, US. Okay, let's do it. We have the request to create smart goals. We can do it from scratch. Goals for my digital marketing campaign for business. And we will see what magic is going on. Right now we have challenges on increasing the traffic from Austin-based users, boost specific social media, for example, Instagram and Facebook, achieve the 20% increase in likes, comments, shares, generate qualified leads, improve conversion rates, enhance SEO. And for each step, we will have our KPIs. We will have our website traffic, social media engagement, lead generation KPI, conversion rate optimization, SEO, and so on. So even on this stage, ChatGPT helped us to better understand what we can measure. We can ask it how we can measure and have a deep dive. This is still like a warm up because the most crucial stuff will start just in 1 minute. Guys, I understand that the Austin example, it was maybe somewhat Camila preferred. Give me your chance, share in chat what state and what services are you doing, maybe in what city you are operating right now. And the first who will drop in chat information about your business, we will take to create user personas. So we'll try to understand who are your clients, but prepare to be active, because with you we'll chat the most. So you will be the guy with whom we will discuss your target audience, persona, and the future online customer journey, and try to make the best to create content plan and create content for them. Guys, please share in chat. We have Miami luxury single family developer. Let's do it. Let's do it. Thank you, Constanza. Let's go to ChatGPT again, and we will try to ask ChatGPT again. Imagine you are digital marketing expert. Marketing expert. Create a table with 3 target user personas for my business. And we have luxury single family developer in Miami. Use the next fields. In this case, we have some cheat list. We have our template, and we can get all information from target audience tab. And if we will ask ourselves what do we need to know about our target audience, we need to name, gender, age, interest, geo, language, income, education, the main customer page, what this person know about your product, how usually interacts offline, online. We need to know all this stuff. So let's drop this stuff here, and let's see how it works. It will be a little bit magic. It will be a little bit magic, so we will see how it's going on. We have Emily White from New York. We have John Martin from Miami. I think that Emily and Sophia, even they are in New York and Los Angeles, so they can be interested in Miami property and some other activities. And we see the basic information about these guys. We see their knowledge, their income, education, their main pains, product that they are interested in, and how they usually interact. Let's make it a little bit smaller and give the chance to Constanza double check it. Yeah, sure, Samantha. ChatGPT, the most popular one, and it gives a lot of stuff, and it can be a good showcase all possibilities that AI can do, but we will dive in other AI tools today too. So guys, Constanza, I need your help. Which of these guys you love most? You prefer to work further with Emily, with John, with Sophia? Who will be your maybe best client portrait? It will be you need to see the income, or you will see need to see another data. Please drop in chat what is the preferred audience for you. It can be number 1 for Emily, number 2 for John or Sophia. It will be number 3. Okay, Constanza is going further about Emily. What we can do further? We can dig in deep. It's all will help our brainstorming, ideas, content creation, etc. We can ask ChatGPT, imagine that you are Emily. Imagine you are Emily from the previous example. So in this case, how you will search for our services. Our services of luxury single family developer in Miami. The services online. You can build both offline consumer journey and online consumer journey, but right now we have that Emily is 45 years old, and we have Google search results. For example, we see I will start with a Google search using keywords luxury single-family homes Miami, high-end real estate developers Miami, Miami luxury home businesses. Check real estate's website, going to developers' website, social media influencers, insights, engaging with content, etc. So we have ideas where we need to focus in our marketing strategy. This was more strategic approach because you try to understand who is your customer. It helps you to find ideas, helps you to brainstorm. But what the next? The next is the practical approach. After you understand your client, you can ask ChatGPT or Gemini to create a content plan, and the next big step, you can ask it to make it better. So the last but not the least, ask in what social media I need to interact with Emily. And we will have ideas about the right social media. Okay, we can pause on this moment. We have Instagram. What the next? Please create Instagram post. Of course, we can act as professional social media marketing expert. Please create social media Instagram post, which will help me sell services.
Can I interrupt for 1 second?
Yeah, sure.
Just I'm interested in I've been kind of mirroring what you've been doing in 3.5, and and your answers have been slightly different in 4.0. And so is that, I mean, do you recommend that the paid version has significantly better something, or?
It's a good question. It's honestly a very good question. Thank you for it. Just half a year ago, maybe 8 months ago, the difference between paid and free version was mostly none. The idea was that the paid version must be always available, and it will not be issues. But we have a lot of trainings, lectures, etc. when we try to show ChatGPT, and both free version was overloaded and you can't do something with it, and the paid version was the same. But right now, the ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT 4.0, they are faster. They have newer data. They have access to the online data, and maybe one of the most crucial things in the story, they can not Google, but get this information from Bing, and that's why I prefer to use paid version. But honestly, they updated the free version too, and if just half a year ago it was really bad, it was like 2021 as I remember data. Right now it's also pretty actual, so feel free to chat with the free version too, but if you have possibility to play with the paid version, I will show you more things why it can be important and crucial for you. We will do it together right now, and it can be much better. So
Cool. Thank you.
I've answered the question. Yep. Great. So please create an Instagram post which will help me sell services to such audience as Emily. So we can ask ChatGPT to create a content plan for us, or go further and create the exact posts for each day, for each month, etc. And we have the post text. And we have here the ideas for visuals, a stunning aerial short luxury. We can ask create the image for this post. And if you use the paid version, it was the question to answer to the previous question, the difference between free and paid. In this case, you will get maybe the best solution. You will have some things to check. It looks like this, and you will get some ideas which will be okay, which will not okay. If you don't like, by some reason, this picture, you always can ask to regenerate, and the magic is done. What you can do more, ChatGPT still can't create videos, but in the paid version, you have GPTs. What is GPTs? It's the individual GPTs that were created for some stuff. I will show you how it can work for video creation. For example, some of you, there was the previous question, will be another tool. One of the most powerful tools we have in AI is HeyGen. It helps to create videos. So having this post, we have discovered the dream of Miami, blah, 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 and all stuff we need here. We can go to My GPTs. In My GPTs, we need to search for HeyGen. It's not fast. Most of AI right now not fast because they are overloaded. And we can ask create video for this post. It, of course, it will be templated video. It will not be sexy, but at the same time, waiting for a few minutes, it will ask your permission, and after that, we'll come back here in 5 minutes to give the HeyGen possibility to create the video for you. Start an action. Error token. Okay. Okay, he's still thinking.
Anton, they're asking.
We have questions in chat. Okay, I'm going there. Are these images copyrighted? No, you can use these images for free. So it's one of the main advantages of artificial intelligence that the copyrighted problems are not here. Are you able to post anything that GPT creates for you from a copyright perspective? Yes, you can post it. The video has been successfully created, but if you will go on this link, you will see that it's still loading. We will not wait. I will not waste your time just waiting like this while it will be loading here. So feel free. We will come back here in 5-10 minutes. Just recall me to do it if I will forget it further. What is going on? There was the question from Samantha, will we talk about other AI tools? Yes, we will do it, but honestly, if we talk about the possibilities which ChatGPT gives you as entrepreneur, as business owner, as expert to do your marketing stuff, to do your personal stuff, etc., it's really amazing. So you can create text, you can create images with some quotes. We can say that you can create video, not the sexiest one, not the brightest one, but at the same you can do it. So we talked about the professional stuff, but at the same time, so ChatGPT does images in the paid version. Yes, the videos just the HeyGen generation. Plugin of HeyGen is generating video, so it's a part of ChatGPT infrastructure. Samantha. So if we talk about the personal stuff, ChatGPT is really amazing, making your life faster and easier. We have a course about personal productivity, and we've counted that ChatGPT can save personally you 13.5 hours of time per week. So 13.5, 15.5. We have students that told that they get 20 hours from free time per week. It looks amazing and sometimes unrealistic, but when you start to count, it's really great. What we can do with ChatGPT, just while we're waiting the generated video, I will show you some personal stuff, what I'm doing personally for me. For example, I use ChatGPT as my personal assistant for LinkedIn post writing and for creating visual contents for Instagram, Facebook with such AI tool as Midjourney. It's our next step to learn what is Midjourney and how it's going on. For example, my LinkedIn helper. I will find you some example I want to show you. Maybe not this. AI course begins today. User requirements. Oh yeah. So I've created for myself just the paid GPT, my GPT, which is helping me to create LinkedIn post. I've just dropped a link about that I will speak on the webinar next week. ChatGPT can go through this link and take the information, and told that I'm going to speak on the webinar. What was done? The ChatGPT created some post. I think that it needs to be bigger and more reasons to believe. I asked to enlarge it, and I've got the ready-to-made LinkedIn post for my activities. The same with Midjourney. I have some ideas that I need to go to Instagram and post something. I don't have any ideas right now in my mind what I need to post, so I need to go to Midjourney helper and ask to help me to generate ideas. For example, I want to know what holidays are going further, and I'm thinking about ideas. For example, I want to celebrate with you, my American friends, the Flag Day on the 14th of June, and we already have the prompt for Midjourney, that realistic photo of bold businessman, this is me, I don't have hair and mustache, standing proudly in front of large American flag. The businessman is wearing a suit with a small American flag pin on his lapel, with a patriotic crowd in the background. So as we have mostly American audience, let's try this prompt and see how it's going on. So while we're waiting the final results of our video, we are moving to another big AI tool that will make your life more happy and easier as business owner. It's Midjourney. Midjourney is the best tool that can help create visuals like post pictures, any other stuff, and can do it in seconds. So we are going to Midjourney. As we asked to imagine something, ChatGPT, the same stuff, we can ask Midjourney to imagine something. Imagine realistic photo of bald man. And while we're waiting, we can see the photos of previous generated. So this was for the Mother's Day. This is not the best, my photo. This guy was for Orthodox Ukrainian Easter. What we have here else? This was my birthday, so all these photos are generated by AI. They created totally by AI. Photo, birthday, birthday, birthday. This is where I decided that I need to have more muscles, so that I need to be a little bit bigger. So it's also was done pretty fast. Let's see what other examples we've had in Midjourney. Yeah, it was something Matrix lifestyle, futuristic lifestyle. It was the Earth Day with the candle. It was something in the style of Dorian Gray. Oh, this was St. Patrick's Day, so pretty good green guy. So you see the photos, they are not bad. They are not bad. Of course, if you spend a few times on the prompt, it can be better. Let's see which guy is more seems like me. All of them are pretty old for me, but I don't know. Never mind. Let's take the third guy. Let's see the third guy. We have this guy. Let's ask Midjourney to change the face for me. And we have the picture for my Instagram for, I don't think that it will be ideal from the first turn, but let's see. Yeah, I'm look here like Joe Biden. I'm maybe like 50 or 70 years old, but it's okay. So it's looks like me. Put from 0 to 10, is this guy is me, or maybe it's not. 10, it's totally me. 0, it's totally another guy. And we will try to see what is going on with the Cajun. Okay, we have Samantha's comment. Guys, what do you think? Is this guy similar to me, or it's a little bit different? We have ideas from Mariana that it's 5, but we will see. Of course, if we will give Midjourney more details, the age, we will spend more time searching the person which is looking more like me and so on. It will works better. So we have the video. We have the video about. I don't know, guys. Do you hear the voice or not? Put plus in chat if you hear the voice on this video. If you have sound.
Are you seeking luxury and lifestyle? Our exclusive single-family homes in Miami offer unparalleled elegance and comfort. From stunning ocean views to state-of-the-art amenities, each home is designed to exceed your highest expectations. Eyes explore the features. Spacious, elegantly designed interiors. Breathtaking waterfront locations. Private pools and lush gardens. High-end finishes and smart home tech.
This lady looks a little bit robotic. She is still not maybe the best example of AI. But what can you do with Hagen? You can go to Hagen and upload the from 1 to 3 your personal avatars. And in my case, I have my own 3 best friends, my best buddies. I will show you how it looks like. I have this guy in hoodie. I have also cat on this video. It's the cat always makes this video more interactive and more funny. This is the podcast studio of our friends with Camila. They are French guys who started the podcast studio in Lisbon. And this is usual stuff, how I usually record my Udemy courses, just whiteboard, white table, Mac, and that's all. How to create the same video, but not with this little bit robotic lady, but with myself. For example, I want to be your influencer and share my experience about your luxury Miami architect services. I will take maybe something like this. I will ask to create the AI video and just add in here the script. We can take here the script that we generated previously in GPT, or we can ask to make this script bigger, longer, etc. So just a few stuff of this. Adding this text here in Hagen, we can ask Hagen to create this video. Just click and submit. In few minutes, we will get the video where I will be the one who will talk about your Miami property, your services, etc. And is it realistic or not? I will show you some examples. Maybe of some of our Udemy lessons generated with AI. This is lesson on Udemy Trends. Let's listen it, and I'll copy the link and share it in chat. And we will see, is it realistic or not?
Can you put it louder?
Okay, if it's not working, it's pretty pity, but I've shared the link with you, so you will have
Just
sorry?
I think it just needed to be louder. I think it was working, but not.
Okay, I will try. But on my side, on the maximum, it's on the maximum volume, so it's better maybe to double check. But if you will listen, this guy, it seems like I'm a little bit tired right now in Lisbon. It's also like 8 p.m., so I'm also a little bit tired and not such fast and fluent as I usually am. So, but it's pretty realistic. We can put it maybe 6 or 7 from 10 that it's maybe me. And it gives the possibility, the link works, the link works, and it gives you possibility to check the quality of AI content creation and how it's going on. So feel free to check and understand how it works and how it can be changed.
Can I jump in with another question here?
Yeah, sure, Grant.
And feel free to say you're going to ask this later. But one of the main questions I have is that as these prompts go, oftentimes the answers you get are either wrong by a lot or wrong by a little, in a way that I want to kind of correct ChatGPT to say, okay, your estimates are like social media doesn't work here, or your estimates are too high, or whatever they are. Is there sort of standard language for correcting it? Like where you list the things they did wrong and you say, no, not that, but this? Are there ways to? That's the question.
Yeah, Grant, it's a great question. You can correct it with your own human language. It's not issue for learning special prompts, but how to make the results of ChatGPT much better? You can go to ChatGPT and create your own MyGPT. You can do it just in the paid version. So going to GPTs, you can ask ChatGPT to create the one. So MyGPT is great. And here you can add files, show templates, give the detailed description how you usually analyze something, how you create marketing strategy, how you create posts. So you can do the thing which is called to teach the neural network. So you are teaching this AI tool how do you think, and you give him patterns, ideas, the right templates, and the way how it need to work. So if you don't like like the results, you can say just body, stop, and regenerate it, or make it short, make it long, etc. But if you have some repetitive task, for example, in my case, writing LinkedIn posts, or say thank you for Camila. Thank you to Camila. And even I didn't tell that it will be LinkedIn post. It will give a little. I've cracked the system. I've cracked this. Yeah, he don't like Camila, but with the example I showed you with the webinar, just given a few details, it can after you teach it how it works. What do you want to get, and what results do you want to organize? You will have the best value from it, as it will. Okay, I think that it's really don't like that it's very few information, or maybe it's ChatGPT. I think that ChatGPT is dead. Not it's still alive. Okay. Sometimes ChatGPT is dead, Midjourney is dead, HeyGen doesn't work. It's okay because all the services are on the peak of popularity right now, and they are going down on the regular basis. So let's try again. For inviting me on webinar. Let's see. No. So today is not our day, but we will try, and maybe I will share with you the idea. It will create the post. It will give their in LinkedIn style, in hashtags. It will be formal. So I want to say thank you to this great lady that she invited, and so on. So it will be working in this way because it was teach to make it a like formal LinkedIn post with hashtags, with some emojis, etc. And that's how it's going on. Let's summarize everything that we talked today. We won't go through the media plan, but ChatGPT can be also your friend analyzing the data. It will help you to analyze your content plans, media plans, your reports, etc. So you need just to drag and drop all this stuff there, and it will start working. From my side, I want to say that ChatGPT goes further. It became my personal coach. I'm in the process of Ironman preparation. I have 180 pages guide how to prepare to my Ironman Qashqai instance. What did I do? I just dropped here this file and created my own ChatGPT. And now I need to ask something about this race. We see that yes, it's Camila, everything okay. ChatGPT loves you, but it doesn't want to work at the moment because it's overloaded right now in my case. So you just describe the route and it will give you all the details. I have my own my GPT which helps me to learn Portuguese. I'm learning Portuguese. Camila is learning Portuguese, so it can make your life easier and faster. It's my psychologist, so it gives me some piece of advices, etc. A lot of stuff that you can empower, you can accelerate using AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, HeyGen, and many others. From my side, maybe I try to do my best to share all this stuff with you. I have a small game for you that will help you to check everything that we talked today about. And before we will go to the game, to the Kahoot, and before you will start asking your questions, I have a personal question to you. Mark from 0 to 10 how this webinar was useful for you. 10, it was good. 987 if it can be better. And while you are giving marks in the chat, I will tell you how to play Kahoot. What is Kahoot? Kahoot is interactive chat, interactive game. You can join just scanning this QR code with your mobile phone. You can scan it with mobile phone. After that, write your name. And the next big step will be to share your experience, try to give more details. What is the right question? Try to answer correctly and as fast as you can. Okay, we have 8 guys, but we can have more guys. Please join. I've understood that I have forgotten to give the motivation. The guy who will take the first place will get one of our Udemy courses for free. So feel free to join, and if you will win, any of our 54 courses on Udemy will be yours. So I'm coming back to QR code, maybe 30 seconds to join, and let's proceed. We have 15 players. Guys, someone else? 16. Okay, let's go. So the first question is, what is the actual free version of ChatGPT? Okay, we have 10 people which answered correctly that it's 3.5, and we have Nicholas with the fastest. Camila is still trying to get one of my Udemy courses. Nice try, Camila. Grant, Constanza, and Mika. Let's go forward. What is the name of Google project which tries to kill ChatGPT? I've mentioned it pretty fast, but you know this guy too. Yeah, we have Gemini. Camila lost some seconds, but we have Nicholas, Constanza, Mika, and Bryant. The best graphic solution in AI is, I've shared with you my ideas what is the best one. It created a lot of photos. My photo with US flag maybe was not the best one, but we will try to make it perfect. Okay, it's Midjourney, yes. We still have the same leaders like Nicholas and Constanza. Camila is coming back. Maybe she will have a chance to win this Udemy course. Makes your video creation routine easier. Which tool? Guys, we have champions. Let's see who it will be. On the third place is Camila. Camila, congratulations. Constanza on the second place. It means that we will have on the first place Nicholas. Nicholas, congratulations. You can keep in touch with me on LinkedIn. Just drop the message and I will share with you coupon to any course you would like to get. Guys, I will be happy to connect with you in LinkedIn too. It's a question time. Now we can go through all the questions you have. If you want to learn more about digital marketing and about AI, feel free to visit any of our Udemy courses, or we also are going to proceed with corporate training. So if your team needs to have a deep dive in this topic, feel free to outreach me and we will be helping you with the training. Guys, I see the marks 888887. Thank you for the marks. Let's go through the questions. What questions do you have? Camila, what do you think? Are you still not happy that you didn't get the course? I will give you one.
No, it was very good. I mean, it's similar to the one that I went and I loved it. So I want to know about the architects. How did you feel about it? Was it helpful?
Guys, what do you think? What questions do you have? You can create profile in Gemini also. Yeah, guys, if you talk about the most popular AIs, Google Gemini will rock. Google is still have the great ambition on all this AI rush. So with the high probability, everything which Google is going to try to do with search engines, etc., it will be a game changer in the world of AI. We have few changes that were announced just a couple of days ago, but I think that it's just beginning.
Cool. Any more questions? Melissa, Grant, Herm, Mark?
Yeah, I mean, I can always come up with things to talk about.
Yeah.
I mean, again, I think the problem I have is that it just generates so much content. You know, you ask them a simple question and you get this long answer, some of which is useful, some isn't. And the process of how you refine that to actually get to that kernel of thing that you can use easily. Again, if you're
But
creating
you are
a,
using mostly ChatGPT, or you're using other AI tools? Grant,
I'm-
what tools you are
I'm just
using?
using ChatGPT again, and I'm asking I mean, the idea that you're able to dive into, like, you know, where is my audience, or are my clients, and how do I communicate with them, and where do I find them? And so what I found is that, like, the ChatGPT as is doesn't really understand the Santa Fe market. And so like I need to feed it more information so that it's more accurate. You know, it doesn't realize quite how old Santa Fe is. Like, it keeps talking about like 30-year-old entrepreneurs, and it's like, that doesn't. Everybody's 60 plus.
Yeah, it's totally true. It's totally true. So the best way in this case, if you have repetitive task, it's to create my GPT and teach it. And teach it, give the examples, give the files, give the detailed instructions. You can start from creating your just custom instructions about yourself. Go to the profile and give as more data as you want. Ask it to be precise and concise. Give the only short answer, and it will make your life a little bit easier. Just with one detail, changing some small things in your profile, it will be really good.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I always go like, make it shorter, make it sexier, like, and it just starts.
You can start with this data in your profile. You can go back to the my GPT to the GPT settings, to customization settings, and just few words, make it short and sexy, and it will be okay.
Yes. For me, like for content generation, like for LinkedIn, for example, for posts, is like a lifesaver, you know? You throw them 4 ideas and ask for 20 posts, and it can just do it.
Yeah, it can generate ideas, it can write, it can create images. If we talk about the images created by ChatGPT, they're not such sexy as by Midjourney. If you will spend even few times try to regenerate, etc., the Midjourney will give you better result. I understand that today's showcase with the American flag was not the best, but 2 or 3 generations and you will get pretty realistic photos.
Yeah, it's about starting to use these tools.
Yep.
So, guys, thank you so much for your time. The idea is we're going to be bringing new webinars, I think like once a month, once every 2 months, with useful things. We did last month with Enoch of Business of Architecture. It was for women. We did inspired in women. We might do that again and open to public. Now this one with AI and marketing, that is a request that a lot of you guys have manifested to have. But whatever else you think it might be useful for us to bring, any knowledge, anything that can actually help you improve your business, let us know. Give us feedback. Also, if you'd like to give a webinar to others on whatever, that's also just reach out, a possibility. I think it's kind of cool to get together once a month with different interesting things just for an hour. And Anton, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me today.
You're a rock star, you know, like have like 3 companies, do Ironmans, and like if someone knows about how to multitask, it's you. So thank you, and thank you all for your time.